keto bread. I think it's successful, so I don't know the taste if it's successful. I will let you know. Hi, welcome. In this video, we are gonna make an easy keto bread, and the ingredients are 1.5 cup of almond flour, 6 eggs, 1/4 butter. This should be melted, so later we will put this in the microwave and let it sit there for a minute or so. And we're gonna need a pinch of salt and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And also we will be needing cream of tartar, which I don't have. Cream of tartar is 1/4 teaspoon. This is optional, so if you don't have it, just leave it. If you have it, just follow the recipe. And then we're gonna need a 6 drops of liquid stevia. This is optional also. If you don't have it, just use a 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar just to remove the smell of the eggs, I think. So that's it, guys. So let's start. Next step is that we have to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks, and make sure when separating it you will not break the egg yolks, because you have to start all over again to do this process. And then using a hand mixer, you just have to beat the egg whites until you reach the desired consistency. After that, you have to prepare your dry ingredients by mixing the almond flour, your melted butter, baking powder, the salt, and the eggs. Then add a little pinch of salt. I said that. And of course the remaining egg whites, but you have to do that by batch. First 3/4, then another batch, the remaining egg whites, and then beat it again, but make sure not to overbeat it until you have reached this kind of consistency, I think. See? And we're gonna bake this into a 375 degrees oven or 180 degrees Celsius for at least 30 minutes, or until the toothpick comes out clean and the bread is cooked thoroughly. So we'll see. So I'm gonna pour it here in our loaf pan. Then let's see, guys, after 30 minutes or more. After 30 minutes, this is how it looks like. So we have to check it out. We have to insert toothpick in it. Once it comes out clean, it means it's okay, it's done. Let's try that again. Yup, it's clean. We're ready. Our bread is cooked. Now we have just to cool it off into our cooling rack, and let's see how it goes, how the taste is like. I have done tasting our bread, and for me, for a first timer who has done this baking a keto bread, and it's okay. I can taste the eggs in it, and it's a little bit salty. I think I have put more salt, so next time I know how to adjust it. says it's just a pinch of salt, but I think a little pinch of that will do. And that's it. It's okay, guys. So if you want to try it, I will write all the ingredients and procedures on the description box, and try it for yourself so you have keto bread. If you love bread, I think this will do, so we can eat less carbs and do a healthy bread. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Till next time, thanks for being with me again. God bless. Bye.